Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to view pending transactions in Lendingclub. Pending transactions are purchases, withdrawals, or payments that have been authorized but not yet fully processed. Let's get into it. The first is to open the Lendingclub mobile app, or of course go on the website. So just log in using your username and password. And if you're using the app, you're going to land on your account dashboard immediately. Next thing to do is to navigate to your account activity. Select your checking or savings account and then tap on transactions or activity. Next is to find the pending section. Lendingclub clearly separates pending from posted transactions. Pending transactions will show the merchant's name, date, and amount. Next is to understand pending versus posted. Now, pending means that the funds are on hold but not finalized. Once the merchant completes the process, the transaction then moves to posted. Fifth step is to check frequently. Pending transactions can change. Amounts may adjust for tips at, restaurant, gas station holds, or for travel charges. But yeah, and that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Now you know how to track your pending Lendingclub transactions so that you always have a real-time picture of your available balance. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.